what a crazy speed. I'm going on a full house, but actually not. I'm doing just 50k, even not that much. And as you can see, the problem with the dash. So the dash kilometers per hour is saying then more than any can do. Then we have tacho is as well on the 0, so it's not doing anything. Then we have some lights showing in there as well, and there's like oil minimum and brake pads. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the dashboard, but before that we have to make sure then we do a correct reprogramming and component protection removal as well, because the IMO is inside of a dash on this Audi A4 car. So let's do it. Here we go. This is the old dash, which one is completely bad, as you can see here. And here we install the used one, which one is pretty okay, only different mileage on it, but as you can see, screen not showing anything. And you had this little light, which one showing the IMO is on. Immobilizer protection, and you can't do anything with it. You cannot start the car, because when you try to start the car, let's do it. It starts, but then it's immediately shut off. That's all because the IMO is on, and yeah, you can't do anything. Let's go and see what the faults we have on the computer. The mainly faults with one is caused why we cannot start is a anti-chief immobilizer reed coil, and then we have engine control unit. It says there is no authorization, that's because of the dash, and the same with the case, and again with the engine control unit, no communication. So in dashboard we have plenty other errors, but those ones is nothing. So let's go ahead and just clean the errors and let's do a coding. So let's see, after a coding, turn on ignition key. Here you can see the IMO light, and let's start the engine. Perfect, very good. The engine starts nice. We have all turns all good. Only one thing what we need to do, we need to get the back original mileage. So let's do it. We already connect the tool. So as you can see here, we see the dashboard. So let's go ahead. We see the coding, service code, and let's press any key. So here we go, the old number. As you can see, that's the same which one we have on the dash. So we need to put on a 385,000 kilometers. So let's do it. We go for number 385,000 kilometers. We go and put the 3 zeros, and yeah, this is the old kilometers, and we have a new program back how it was, and go ahead, let's press OK button. It says please wait, update successfully, and here you go. This is back original mileage, almost. There is some plus and minus, but yeah, we can make one more time and get it more precise. So let's go and do it more precise. So it was 3,608.5, and there was a 690 something. So yeah, let's do again. So it should be more precise. Press OK, it resets, and it says 385,689. Perfect, very good. So update is successfully, and the dash is fully working now on the car. Okay, so thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, ask questions, try to answer. And as you can see, the component protection is done. Only in this one the little screen is not showing anything. That's because it's bad. Yeah, that one need to be replaced, but all other is working. We have a normal speed, we have all good. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye.